Hey guys, so I'm gonna change for once, and yeah, I wanted to do another look based off of a t-shirt because so many of you loved my Zelda look, and that made my life complete because I love Zelda. It is there for me when I need it. The game is the best game ever, and yeah. So I wanted to kind of show you guys that you do not need 8 different shades of green or any color to get a bold look that is wearable and cute. When I was in high school, I would watch tutorials of these girls using like 6 different shades of the same color to get a very vibrant and pretty look, but I tried this look with just 3 different colors, or 3 different eyeshadows, yeah, and it turned out great in my opinion. I'm not the best, but here I am doing it, and I didn't clean my brush, so I had to redo it. Clean your brushes, people. I was not happy. But let's redo this. I do not own that much makeup. I do own in my friends' eyes, I own a lot of makeup, but I actually don't. I barely fill up a lot of drawers of makeup. I would love to do a makeup collection, but I'm here to show you guys that you don't need that many palettes or that many colors to make a look pretty and bold and something that's out of the ordinary. So I'm attempting a halo eye, and thank you to a subscriber that told me to use a smaller brush because it helped so much. And by the way, I'm using the dark green and the lime green shade in the Box of Crayons palette. But it's just all this support I'm getting, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers when I never thought I'd even get like 10 subscribers. So it means the world to me, and thank you for all the love and support and advice and tips with my channel. It means so much to me. But this is all I'm doing to my lid, just those 2 green shades. And then I'm going to find a shade on my shirt to put on my bottom lash line. And honestly, that pink shade matches perfectly with that magenta shade. So should I say it's magenta? I guess so. That magenta shade on my shirt. This is just proof you do not need that many colors to be out of the box, and you know, just go with what you want to do. Don't go out of your comfort zone. Don't go buy 800 palettes just because beauty gurus tell you to. Work with what you got and you'll have amazing results. I'm using the Aurora palette here to highlight with the green shade. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My new series will be out this Friday. I got my eyebrows tinted. Best decision of my life. It was so cheap, and I'm going to keep doing it. And I just put gel in them. I don't fill them in. Follow me on Snapchat. Here's my eyeliner in really fast motion, but it's really slow. But again, thank you guys for watching, and my new series will be out Friday called Facing Anxiety Fridays. I know I've been saying that for a while now, but it's just my anxiety has so much to it that it's hard to explain it, and I keep refilming it. So it will be out this Friday no matter what. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you all.